Do you know why your tires often get spoiled or worn out even before it gets expired? Come with me as I give you 3 tips on how to maintain your tires. The first tip I'll be telling you about is on bad tires. Bad tires often make your brake become less effective, especially in emergency situations. Hold on. Let's take for instance, you are driving on a road right now with a bad or worn out tire, and suddenly you saw a pothole you are trying to avoid. Then you decide to apply your brake. Tell me, is your brake going to respond immediately? Of course no. That's why it's important you replace a bad or worn out tire immediately in order for you to have a smooth ride. Yeah. The second tip I'll be taking you on is about wheel balancing and tire alignment. Proper wheel balancing and proper tire alignment improves your ride comfort, and of course, it improves the performance of your tires. It's important you check your wheel balancing and your tire alignment if you notice your vehicle is vibrating while you're driving, or you notice your vehicle is moving to one side while you are driving, or maybe after you hit an unexpected pothole. Peradventure you work on your tie rods, your ball joints, or probably your lower arms. There is need for you to do your tire alignment and of course your wheel balancing. Yeah. The third tip on how to maintain your tire is to drive smoothly. In order for you to drive smoothly, there is need for you to avoid aggressive or reckless driving. Yes, because aggressive or reckless driving causes wears and tears on your tires. It also puts your life and the life of other road users in danger. There is need for you to drive smoothly.